that approaching the down current, coming current, that the canoe is placed at an angle so as not to hit the water sideways. The closer you get to the down tumbling waters, the greater the back eddy. And it takes very little effort of the paddler to hold the canoe in this position. But you should not get it too close, as the downcoming waters is very apt to fill your boat. And should your boat become filled and you're caught in the forever revolving waters, it is almost impossible to get out. And here there is a great danger. This is known in raft running as a shove. Notice the down current coming waters, how quickly they swing the boat around. Now they catch the stern of the boat, and again it comes around. And approaching the raft, the falls, you can follow the break between the two currents. Again working close to the eddy. You'll notice that the paddler is hardly using any effort to hold his canoe in this position. Just stroking very easily. And now, swinging the canoe again into the current, it is driven down with great speed. And taking advantage of another back eddy, he swings suddenly around. And in coming up a rapid, you use the back eddies. Here, you have to cross the main current into the back eddy. And it requires a lot of stiff paddling. The eddy that he is approaching is caused by the water coming over a rock, which splits the current and forms the decided back eddy. The canoe being held in position without hardly any effort. At the same time, he has to watch that the downcoming waters do not catch his bow and swing it suddenly around. Once more in the back eddy. Now drifting down, notice the axe when he hits these waves, how he holds the boat steady with his paddle. The waves you see now are caused by rocks, but the canoeist avoids them. He is now approaching many waves, some caused by rocks and others currents, and a good canoeist can distinguish the difference between these. These waves are caused by the conversion of current. We now leave the beautiful waters of Stoney Lake for a trip across Toronto Bay behind the ferries. These waves are made by the paddle wheels of the ferry, and being uniform are more easily to run than the irregular waves caused by winds. The water of the waves does not move forward. It is the motion that travels and carries the canoe along by the force of gravitation.